Assalamu alaikum. This is an online judge created by me, Muhammad Abrar Nafi Akhund, and Mobashirul Islam for our CSE 216 term project. Now we will begin the demonstration. We can create new accounts here if we don't have one already. In the sign up page, we will have to fill out this form completely, but the handle will have to be unique. That means that no two users can have the same handle. Now we will have to log in. So now that the user has been created, we can see the blogs here. In the contests page, we can see all the contests that have already taken place. And in the contests themselves, we can see the problems that were there. And we can also submit the answers to these problems. These answers will be sent to the server and judged. There are various verdicts such as accepted, wrong answer, time limit exceeded, or compilation error. We can see all the problems here, and we can see them by category. We can choose more than one category as well. Here we can see the list of users and their ratings. In the page of a particular user, we can see all their past submissions and how many submissions they made and how many were accepted. And we can see the submitted code as well, but only when there is no contest for that particular problem. We can go to our profile and see the submissions that we made. We can create our own blogs as well. Now that this blog has been created, other users will be able to see and comment on it. We log in with a different account to demonstrate that. Other users can also see the comments that we made. We can also create tutorials for specific problems. Here we can see that this problem doesn't have a tutorial. We can create a tutorial for it. For that, we are going to need the contest nong and problem nong of it. Tutorials are kept as normal blogs. So we input that and create the blog. And it is going to show up as a tutorial in the problem. You can follow this link to go to the tutorial. Now we are going to create and simulate a contest. We have to log in first. And now we move to the contest tab and click on the create button. We need a title, start time, and an end time for the contest. We also need to choose an MD file as the announcement. Now that a contest has been created, we can see it on the upcoming contests part. The contest creator can add problems to the contest. All the instructions are given on this page, and the files chosen for the problem are saved on the server. We can add multiple problems, but the problem number has to be unique. Here we can see that we cannot create a problem with the same number twice. The users won't be able to see the problems. Only the problem creator will be able to see it before the contest starts. And the user ratings might change if they choose to participate in the contest. Now we wait for the contest to start. As the contest has started, all users will be able to see the problems and submit solutions to them. Now we submit some solutions to the server. The codes will be tested on the server side and an appropriate verdict will be given. There can be multiple verdicts such as accepted, time limit exceeded, and compilation error. So we will now just let the contest run. The contest creator will only be able to generate the results after the contest has ended. So we are going to change the end time in the database directly to demonstrate this. Now that the contest has ended, the contest creator will be able to generate the results. Now that the results have been generated, all users will be able to see how the others have performed, and they will also be able to see the other user submissions as well. If a user submits the correct answer for the same problem more than once during a contest, only the first submission will count. The other submissions will go through, but they will not affect the rating change. And as we can see, after the contest, the user ratings have changed.